Agus tá Dylan Armitage iste. On my Johnny Wilkinson in ish. And on Toulon, Simi Matu, or on Passion Chutasata. Agus is she at Toulon, the Champigny.
Well, you just have to look at what has happened in it over the years, and the success of Munster and Leinster have had, and even Ulster back in '99 winning it. It's enormous for a small country to have that success they have. You want to be given windows of opportunities to men to be able to get out there and perform against the best.
So there Henderson falls again agus Tafaro Coigala Hish Irogatala.
Well, the history and traditions of the Heineken Cup and Munster rugby are so tightly intertwined.
Paul O'Connor le
I think forever the Heineken Cup will be a massive part of Munster in the region. Not only the players but the supporters and the fans throughout the world. Everywhere we go we encounter massive support, and it all manifests itself around Heineken Cup time.
The tribalism that's involved, the cross-nation rivalries, the cross-tournament rivalries. It's a brilliant tournament, and I think what it does show is tournament rugby is a great spectacle for everybody. Every point, every kick, every tackle really matters, and that's the beauty of the tournament.
For any club that plays in Europe, it is to be part of it. Everyone wants to, strive to be there because it's the best clubs in Europe. There's so much prestige, it's recognised around the world, and I think we saw a taste of it when all the big guns have arrived over the last couple of years, what it did to the sports ground. If it is merit-based, that's the way it needs to be. I mean, we can't control the way the format is. All we know, the format's handed out, this is the way Europe is, and then we do everything we can, like they have done in the past, to try and get there. And if there is going to be Europe, and I sincerely hope there is because it's massive and important for the game, then we work out how to get in it and do our best to qualify.
I know that for all the people who are watching tonight that it's very frustrating, because those fans are not actually sitting at the table, and therefore they can't help to find the outcome of something that they have a tremendous interest in. But I'm very confident we will find solutions. It's been a summer of madness. I more than any are looking forward to the competition starting, because the conversation tends to change. Once people see the players and the fans, it begins to remind people what this is about and why we've created so many magic moments and why we've created such value.